Now let's look at the latitudinal and longitudinal extent of India and Brazil. First, let's take a look at India. The mainland India starts from 8 degrees 4 minutes north to 37 degrees 6 minutes north, whereas the island groups start from 6 degrees 45 minutes north from the Indira point. This is the southernmost tip of India. Here we are taking north because latitudinally India lies in the northern hemisphere. The longitudinal extent of India starts from 68 degrees 7 minutes east to 97 degrees 25 minutes east. So this was the latitudinal and longitudinal extent of India. Next we have Brazil. The latitudinal extent of Brazil will start from 5 degrees 15 minutes north to 33 degrees 45 minutes south. Now here we are taking north and south because a small part of Brazil lies in the northern hemisphere while major part of Brazil lies in the southern hemisphere. For the longitudinal extent, we will start from 34 degrees 47 minutes west to 73 degrees 48 minutes west. So this was the latitudinal and longitudinal extent of India and Brazil. So let's start with the political divisions of India and Brazil. India has 28 states and 8 union territories. The union territories are Ladakh, Jammu and Kashmir, Chandigarh, New Delhi, which is also the capital of India, Diu Daman and Dadra Nagar Haveli together, Andaman and Nicobar, Puducherry and Lakshadweep. Now let's move towards Brazil. Brazil has 26 states and 1 federal district, and Brasilia is the capital of Brazil. Now let's see the important question and answers from this module. Question number 1. What is the latitudinal and longitudinal extent of India and Brazil? The latitudinal extent of India is 8 degrees 4 minutes north to 37 degrees 6 minutes north, and the longitudinal extent is 68 degrees 7 minutes east to 97 degrees 25 minutes east. The latitudinal extent of Brazil is 5 degrees 15 minutes north to 33 degrees 45 minutes south, and the longitudinal extent is 34 degrees 47 minutes west to 73 degrees 48 minutes west. I have highlighted the important keywords here. Question number 2. Which is the southernmost tip of India? The southernmost tip of India is Indira Point, which is at 6 degrees 45 minutes north. अगर आपको मेरा कंटेंट और एक्सप्लेनेशन अच्छा लगा हो तो डू फॉलो मी and ask your doubts in the comment section. See you in the next module. Thank you.